Hello everyone, welcome again. Here is a quick tutorial on the site. Whenever you open our course, here is where you come. And read down along the left, you see if you click on different areas, you'll come to the syllabus page. Let's click on that. There's the syllabus for the course that you can get, the weekly schedule. And here it puts down all of the assignments that are upcoming and due, as you see that. And moving down there, you can see assignments. I won't click on that. Discussions, your grades. When you come into Zoom, you can do that here. Come into the Zoom. This is when you first come in. If we go back to the home, you click on the home, you click on start here, it'll take you to the modules. I would recommend going through all of these modules for university information. I would also recommend you going through each of these by the it's about this course. Here's that syllabi review I did for you. It's online. I gave you a discussion to introduce yourself. Here's an information form I'd like you to fill out. Here's that information on the textbook and getting textbook information. Here's some information about me. And you can ask questions of me here. And here's a pre-course self-assessment you can take. So getting started with MBA 810. So you should go down through that module. And then what I've uploaded for you are the first 3 weeks of the class right now. And what I want you to pay attention to over the next 2 weeks are this Module 1 on self-awareness and in the second week, Module 2. And if you will notice, I don't have any assignments for you in that first week, but I do have a lot of assessments for you to take. And if you get into this overview, you come down here. Here are a lot of readings I want you to take. Look at, getting started, the introductory video, read chapter 1 in the textbook. Here's a couple videos. And then go to this one, I'll go back to it, these lecture materials, and I'm asking you to take a lot of surveys. And then look at survey videos. And let me explain what I'm asking you to do. Down here again, I'm asking you to complete the Module 1 surveys and look at the Module 1 videos. And let me go back. Let me go back to Module 1 that I'm looking at here. And then here's the lecture materials. Here's the surveys and inventories I was talking about. This is where I want you to really take all of these. I've included for you here a lot of assessments. Here's a listing of the publisher's website, surveys, answer all the assessments. At the beginning of chapters 1 and 2 in the text, you can find the following: defining issues tests, social readjustment rating scale. And here I've made some up for you that you can click on. And these are all the kinds of assessments I want you to take related to. These are a lot of surveys I want you to take associated with chapters 1 and 2. So just go back and make sure you answer and get through all of these surveys. And then what I want you to do is look at the survey videos. So here's a survey on cognitive style, on emotional intelligence. These are all surveys that help explain those assessments that you did. So there's a lot of work here associated with chapters 1 and 2. And I want you to carefully look through all of this. What I've done for you is, if you haven't been able to get the textbook, what I've done is I've made, in here in the surveys and inventories, I've uploaded copies for you here. And you can take these and print them and complete them. It's very important that you get through all of these. So, in approaching this, just carefully go down through the various elements that are here. And then when we move into Module 2, which is on personal stress, there's an assignment associated with this. And different things I'm asking you to do. So I would pay careful attention, and maybe you do it together the first two weeks. And then the third week, we're going to move into the topic of communication. Sorry, I had to pause the recording for a phone call, and I can't remember what I had talked about. Anyway, these first 3 weeks, you'll move into Module 3. After I get to meet up with you and we deal with a couple things, I'll put the rest of the modules, more of the modules up there. But all of this is important in terms of getting started this week. So hopefully you'll get off to a good start, and I look forward to working with you this semester. Thank you.